I trust you're doing well. Don't mind me, but I was just thinking about it. This investment thing is not something you have to wait till you are very, very ready before you start investing. If you had maybe saved up some money in the week and you just think it's a good time to put it in somewhere to work for you and not carry it over to the next week and then go and spend everything, it will be very thoughtful to put it somewhere to work for you. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I had made a video earlier on how to use the money market mutual fund, like how to set it up from scratch. I'd also explained that if you want to set up like your account properly, it's wise that you start off from the blue nest. Some people usually use the application and just go ahead and download the application, but from there you'll be able to just set up a profile and not a proper account. But if you go to blue nest, I'm going to also put the link here in my description where you can just click on it and then take it up from there. So I just want to go ahead and top off. I've actually been using the UBA, but I had to also get the details for Stanbic because a lot of people have asked me about it. So yeah, and it's a good time to diversify, and diversifying with a mutual fund is not a bad one at all. So yes, watch out for this video. I'm going to complete the investment on money market with Stanbic IBTC platform. If you've not seen the other video, please just go back. I would still do as many videos because it was shocking to know that a lot of people don't even know about money market mutual fund. But yes, that's why I'm here. So I'm going to be showing you all of this. Ask me all the questions you want to ask me, and I'll be here to respond to you. See you. Bye. Right into it, we're going to be making some purchase. You recall that from my last video, I had already funded the account with 50k, but I've just been quite busy. So we're going to make the investment, the actual investment today. Remember that you are doing this from bluenest.stambicibtcassetmanagement.com. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description to just help you access this seamlessly. Now on this drop down, I'm going to click invest now, and then you'd see here I've gone through all of these stages, currency action. So I am currently going to, it's asking in which currency would you like to invest. I will want to do the naira, so I'll click on naira and then click next. Now it's asking you if you'd like to top up an existing account or you'd like to open a new account. So this is the very first one, so I'm just going to click on create a new account for my investment and then click next. If you have already created a new account before, you would not need to click on create a new account. You just go ahead and click on the top up. Stanbic is at 19.52% for the money market. So you know, the thing is, it is not constant. Sometimes it's 20, like as of 2 days ago it was 20.5. Sometimes it's 20, sometimes it's less than that, sometimes it's more than that, but that's the idea. The thing is that your capital is preserved, so this percentage increases on the interest, the amount of money you're going to get as an interest. So don't be scared. Don't be scared, and don't forget that this is 19%, 19.52% per annum. That is what it currently is now. It can be more as like in the next few days. So click on Stanbic IBTC money market fund. Investment risk is low, blah blah blah, of course. And if you want to do any other kind of investment, you can scroll through them. I have done an explanation in my video. I'm also going to put the link in the description to just help you understand which one. But it's important to look at the risk levels. Some of them have very high risk levels, like these ones here, the Stanbic IBTC balance fund, the ethical fund, and so on. But yeah, we want to invest on the money market fund, so I'm going to click on next. Now it's giving you some information about Stanbic IBTC money market fund, so I'll just click on I or we confirm that we understand this product. Please, if you don't understand the product, go through this and read it through, or also ask me a question around it and I can do well to respond to you immediately. So now click on next. Now, what amount of money do you want to invest in? It's important to note that the minimum investment amount for this product is 5,000 naira, right? So I'm just going to use 20,000 naira. right? And so I'm going to, because I had already sent 50,000, so I know that I have up to 20,000 naira in my wallet. I'm going to click next. It's asking me how would you like to pay. I want to pay from my wallet. I'll click wallet and click next, right? So now it's saying that my total amount to be debited is 20k. My funding source is from my Naira wallet, and in my Naira wallet I have 50k there, and that's fine. So click on submit. Great, so it says successful. Your subscription request to invest in the Stanbic money market fund has been submitted. Click on continue. The funds are going to reflect. If you also scroll down here and click on show balances, you'll see here that my fund wallet now has 30k from the 20k. Here I've gotten a mail from Stanbic saying that my subscription request has been initiated, and then they're going to process it and get back to me. So it hasn't reflected yet, but it's going to do that soon. So you notice that if you now log into your application, it is no longer going to be seen as a profile. It's now going to be seen as an account. So click on mutual funds, then click on login or create your account, then you sign in. Now you'd see that the account has reflected that I have a Stanbic money market fund account, but the amount is not going to reflect here yet because it has not been updated. And you know, this is a weekend, it might take some time, or it might just take less time, but regardless, well done, you are here now, and that's amazing. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Please do well to just register, sign up on this. You know, money market is really very good. It's not as much, the interest is not a lot, but it's way better than just leaving your money in the bank without having to get like very good interest on it, right? I know that some banks do like 4 to 6% per annum, and this is telling you that they will do over 18% per annum, and you can always withdraw anytime. Withdrawal is from 0 to 24 hours. So once you place your withdrawal within 0 to 24 hours, you're going to get your money, and there is no debit alert, no nothing. You're just, so guys, this is just, don't say I've not done anything good for you this year, honestly. So do yours and let me know when you have done it. I'll be in the comment section ready to take your answers. Until then, take care. I'm Sylvia, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.